back to the Dark Reflections Customs YouTube channel. Today what I'm doing is I'm actually showing you how to test a blower motor resistor out of an 88 to 98 Chevrolet CNK series pickup truck. Basically what usually happens is you'll turn the AC on and it only works on high. A lot of people will just go out and buy a new resistor, replace it because they told them that's what it could be. It could also be your control panel. So I like to test them just to see if they're operating or not, and I also like to test the brand new ones before I put them in, because nowadays it seems like half the parts I've been buying don't actually work. And multimeter is your best tool that you can use for basically testing the ohm load on anything new, and every sensor on every vehicle has a different way of testing it. And let me show you how I do this. And the first thing I do is put this on the little horseshoe shaped symbol. That's ohms, ohm load. And then I go across the terminals. Now with a blower motor resistor with the pin aligner facing up, take one of the connectors of the two and keep it on the first, doesn't matter which one, keep it on the first terminal here. Remember, this has to be facing up. And I'm checking for ohm load across the terminal, the first terminal out of the three. Not showing anything. Second one showing 1.9. And the last one showing 2.1. So that means that this actual terminal here, this second one, is not working, which means the blower motor resistor is bad. Here's a brand new blower motor resistor. This is actually AC Delco. I tend to buy their parts first because I don't usually have too many problems with them. Same thing, aligner up here. Like I said, it doesn't matter which end. We're going to check for ohm load. So I'm sticking this one on the very first one, making connection to the second one, showing 2.4 ohm load, 1.8, 1.7 ohm load, so that's good. Even if it fluctuates, it's still good. And 2.1 to 2.0. So by connecting this terminal and then jumping every other one of them with the other end, it's basically telling you that it has ohm resistance, meaning that it has a connection. So now you know that this brand new part, before you waste all your time installing it, and like I said, I didn't make a video on it because there's probably 100 of them on YouTube already, but once you get it out, this is what you need to know. If your blower motor resistor is bad, it will not make connection on ohms from 1 to the second, the third, and the fourth. So every time you touch the first one, it will connect one end of it, and then the second end will go to the next three terminals. And if you don't see a resistance load on there showing up on here, that means that if any of these terminals don't have a ohm resistance, I would just say replace it, and you know. But the best part about it is knowing how to test your brand new one before you spend the time. It's pretty tight to put it up in there. I've done a bunch. I'm used to it, but it's a tight squeeze. You might as well know that your brand new one works before you put it in. And if you test a brand new one and you put it in and you still have blower speed problems, then you could probably assume to go back to your control panel and see if it's your control panel or not. I'm probably going to make a video on how to test the outputs on the control panel real soon. Keep posted, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.